What you are about to see is a demonstration of a NewFlow structural liner repair. NewFlow structural liners are composed of a felt tube, rubber bladder, and two-part epoxy resin. Here we see the resin being measured and combined. The prepared epoxy is poured into the space between the felt liner and the rubber bladder. Heavy rollers are used to fully impregnate the felt liner with epoxy. The liner is folded in half and taped so that it will enter the pipe easily. The liner is then pushed into place inside the pipe or pulled into place using a cable and winch. A clear pipe has been used for demonstration purposes. A rubber bladder inside the liner is inflated. This causes the liner to expand and conform to the host pipe. After curing, the liner becomes a solid pipe within a pipe, spanning gaps and preventing future root intrusion.